Hello everyone, my name is Shikha Singh and in this video we are going to learn how to add images to your web page. So as you can see, I have this basic structure of a web page. Okay, so in this I have added the title as image tag. So you can see here on the top image tag, and I have added just one heading, that is HTML image tag. Okay, so by this you can see, actually you can understand that we are going to use something called image tag. Okay, so to make our websites beautiful we need images, right? So that our websites will be attractive to our users. Okay, so for that we need to add images. So how do we add images? We need image tag for that. And how do we write image tag? We write angular bracket, open angular bracket, and img. That is the image tag. Okay, and for this image we need attributes. So this image tag has attributes. So first attribute, that is very important attribute, is src, that is source. So what does this attribute do? Basically, this attribute, in this source we have to write the path for the image. Okay, so here we have to we describe the source or the path for our image to be added to our web page. Okay, it actually tells the browser that where it has to go and look for the image that we want on our web page. Okay, so let's do that. This is my file. Okay, so this is where I have saved my demo.html5, and here I have Apple image. So I want to add this image to my web page. Okay, so first of all, let's see what is the name of my image. So you can see the name of my image is Apple and the extension is JFIF. So we need to be careful with using the extension of the image. Okay, so image is JFIF. Okay, so the extension is JFIF. So here I'm going to write apple.jfif. Okay, so this is the source because I have this image on the same file where I have my HTML document, so I don't have to write the whole path. If I had my HTML file like in some other folder and my image in some other folder, at that time we had to write the full path for knowing to tell our browser that where it has to find the image. Okay, so here we have the source. So now our browser knows, okay, I have to look for apple.jfif image. Okay, after that we have one more attribute that is called alt. So what this alt does, it basically, here we have to write a text. Why we have to write a text? Like if sometimes our image is not it is not displayed. Okay, so sometimes our images are not displayed, or maybe our browser is not able to find that particular image. So at that time this text will be visible, this text will be shown on the website. Okay, so let's say apple as a fruit. Okay, that's it. Okay, so for now that's it. Okay, so now we are going to add this apple image, and this is going to be the text if my apple image is not able to be is not able to show on the screen. So now let's save it and refresh our page. So now I have apple on my web page. Okay, so let's see, so where is when I will get this apple as fruit. So let's change the name of my this image file. So my browser will not be able to find this image anywhere. Okay, so now you'll see apple as a fruit. So now this apple as a fruit is shown here. So this alt attribute, this basically defines an alternate text. Okay, this defines basically an alternate text for image, so that if sometimes image is not able to be displayed, at that time this text will be displayed on the screen. Okay, so let's change my image to, okay, and here I have my image back. Okay, so if you want to change its height and width, that also we can do here. Okay, So for that, to change width, okay, we have width attribute and we can give any width, like any number for it. So let's give it as 200 and let's give just the width, okay? And when I save it and refresh, so the size, the width is 200 and the height is automatically going to be set according to the width that we have given here. Okay, and if you specifically you want to specify the height, you can write the height also. So you can use height attribute when you refresh. So now this is your height and this is your width. Okay, if you give just one, so let's give just height. Okay, I'm not giving width. So now this is the height and width is adjusted according to the height. Okay, so I just gave here, if you can see here, I have just given the height, that is 600, but I have not given width. So width has been adjusted according to the height that we have given to it. Okay, so the same thing happens with width. If we give just width, okay, if we give just width, let's say it's 800, so height will be adjusted according to the width that we have given. Okay, see. Okay, so let me just give a smaller width so that it will be, visible. The difference should be visible here, right? Okay. So that's how you can add an image to your web page, and you can change its height and width and whatever you want to do with it, and you can give some text if your image is not visible on the screen, or if the image has some problem displaying on the screen. Okay, so that's all for today's class. You can add any number of images to your web pages. Okay, great. Bye.